It is currently just after 6 o'clock. I've been up since 4:30. I wasn't too tired this morning and I wanted to see all of the sunrise. Check this out. It's pretty special. Tell you what, it's going to make going back to reality hard. I don't know whether I'm a bush person, like foresty wake up person, or an ocean person, because this is like, you don't get much closer to the water than this. I'm probably 50 meters away. So, and it's straight onto a beach. It's not like a lake or something. So this is pretty good. I don't know if I'm going to match this. Alright, we are done here in Agnes Waters. I'm just at a little rest stop just in the town. Just had to throw my rubbish out and organise myself a little bit, and now I'm going to head towards Yeppoon. We've got 3.5 hour drive, so it's quite a distance, and we've got a few good podcasts to listen to, so it's not too bad. I did the usual this morning, got up, had the coffees, went to my little spot on the water and did my workout. I went for a walk up to the lookout. Done it all. Time to hit the road. Let's go. Just pulled into a little sort of gravel pit on the side of a highway somewhere. It's not too bad today. There's a bit of traffic around. It's about 25 degrees and the drive's going real easy. I'm just sitting on 90, pissing people off, but loving my life. I pulled over because I'm starving and I'm going to have some porridge, and yeah, then I'll continue on. Alright, let's hit the road again. On the side of the highway, and I've found my story for the day. There it is, that cheeky dog. Not quite fitting in the mount
right. So I'm going to have to, I'll jig something up and I'll make it work.
And also, this keeps swinging open while I'm driving. So I'm going to sort something out and tie that so it doesn't keep opening. And I know this because the camera keeps showing out that way. Okay, so what keeps happening is this keeps sliding out of that rubber and then dropping down. So what I'm going to do is get a cable tie and put it around this end, and hopefully that will stop it from pulling out, for the time being anyway, until I get to Yeppoon in about, I don't know, 1 hour, and then I'll sort out a more permanent situation. Okay, so we're in the back of the trailer. I'm not sure if I've shown you this. This is my travelling tradie setup. What I'm searching for is some cable ties or a strap. Straps. So I'm going to use this strap. It's just one of these ones. And I'm going to tie it around here, down there, back around here, and tie it up, and that will stop that. That's stuck. That's not coming. You have to lift this up to open it, but for some reason when I go over these big bumps it seems to undo itself. So crisis averted. Job 1 done. That's never coming open. Well, that's just temporary, but I think it'll be okay. From all that excitement and fun, I think I've earned myself a bowl of wine. Just kidding. Where are you, sneaky bugger? There you are. Pina colada without the alcohol. How beautiful is this country? It'd be so easy to get stuck and die out here. Crisis averted. I don't enjoy things like that happening, but sometimes it's, you know, it's good to run across a problem and sort it out yourself. And I'm also glad I bought heaps of tools with me, so I can not only do my job, but I can do a little bit if I get into a situation.
3.5 with a wheel, flying Gabriel Creek.
The UHF is going off today. Couple of big dogs out here. Alright, that's enough excitement. Let's get back on the road. I've just stopped into Aldi at Rockhampton quickly to grab some trail mix because it's a favourite of mine lately. But also, this place is Australia's capital for cattle, supposedly. Someone told me that crazy fact the other day. So there's more cattle here than anywhere in Australia, which is pretty crazy. There's not much to Rockhampton. I've been through it a few times when I used to live in Mackay, and I didn't see anything too great about it. Not saying that there's not, but I just can't be bothered. So we're about 45 minutes away from Yeppoon. I'll get this trail mix and we'll make it there. And then it's shower time. Alright, it is 4:10. We've arrived in Yeppoon. I just got some fuel. I'm going to do some shopping this afternoon, so I'm going to cut this off here. I've got to go to Woolworths and get some supplies and Bunnings and BWS. And then, yeah. Anyway, thanks for tuning in again. it was a travel day. We had a little bit of action, but tomorrow I'll be going and exploring the lagoon and a few nature walks and stuff like that around this place, and I'll show you what I can see. I might send the drone up later on today if I find camp and set up before it gets dark, but if not, I will see you on the next one. Alright guys, we just found a spot to camp. I'll pour me Baileys. Cheers to Yeppoon. Just behind me here, there's a beach, like, I don't know, 50 metres that way. It's got bushes and then beach, and the access is up that way about 100 metres. So right on the beach again. I'm by myself, but just around the corner there's like all buses and van lifers and stuff like that, so I think I will be okay. But you know, I'll chill out now for a bit, have something to eat, and then I'll set up bed and get ready for bed. It's 10 to 8, so it's not too late yet, but we'll see how we go. Yeppoon's looking good. It's actually really pretty, well, what the drone showed. And that lagoon thing, that's wicked. And it's got hot showers. I had a hot shower tonight and it was incredible. I was in there for a good 10 minutes, and I'll be doing that tomorrow night and tomorrow morning and maybe multiple times a day. Just use it while you can. And I thought when I get to Airlie Beach, I'm going to treat myself and get myself an Airbnb for a few nights and sleep in a proper bed. It's been a while. I'll see you all tomorrow. La de vedere.